All right, this is the Guvasum Store men's leather ratchet belt. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. I like these ratchet belts because they don't have any holes in there. It's great. You just kind of stick it in there and it ratchets together. It arrived packaged very nicely. Everything was protected. There was a plastic piece on here I had to take off. You can see it has a nice zinc, gold colored, gold speckled buckle on here, which is very nice. The little ratchet lever on here, and this is where we're going to stick the belt in. The belt itself is protected in a nice packaging. It arrives just like this. And they also give you this little felt bag here to store it in. With very nice leather here. Stitching looks great on here. The leather looks great. It's kind of a one-size-fits-all type thing on here. This is obviously the side that's going to go through the ratchet. It's got the smaller end on it. Very nice leather. Nice color too on this. I like this lighter cognac color. You've got some different sizes on here where if it happens to be too long for you, you can take some scissors and cut it. They've got different little marks on here where you can cut right through here and make it the size you want. And the way these things work is it's pretty easy. It's a little lever here on the side you're going to flip up. You just stick it in through here all the way till it reaches the back, which you can see right there. This piece has teeth in it, and you clamp it down, and there you go. You're good to go. All right, let's try this thing on. All right, so I'm a big guy with a large waist, and this just happens to be the perfect size for me. And the way this works is just pretty simple. You just run it through these two holes, and you ratchet it down, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. There's no holes you have to put in here, no nothing. Ratchet it down till it's the right tightness, put it in, move it through your hole, and you're good to go. And when you want to release it, there's a little lever right here. Press that lever, it slides out. It is that simple. And when you're done with it, you can roll it up just like this, throw it in your velvet bag, store it in your closet, your dresser, your suitcase for travel, whatever you want to do. So if you're looking for a nice leather men's ratchet belt for dress clothes, for work, for play, for at home, for around town, for shorts, for pants, for anything, check out this one by the Guvasum Store.